When should you stretch a strained muscle? The answer is you should not. If the muscle is strained already, you want to give it time to recover. So some people think you should stretch it more, and straining is stretching at the end of the day. So when that muscle is either worked till past where its comfortable spot is, that's a strain, or something really aggressively fast is done to it, and it's stretched beyond what is comfortable. That's where the strain comes in. So you never want to work a muscle, stretch a muscle that's already strained, because now it takes longer to recover because now you're stretching that even more. So give it time to heal, especially if you're older, 40 plus, talking to you. You should not stretch a strained muscle, because as you get older, it takes longer to recover as it is. So now you're taking even longer to get back in the game, and time wasted from overdoing things is time not spent productively in the gym or working out. So do not stretch a strained muscle. I'm not sure what the actual time span should be. All depends on the individual. All depends on the severity of the strain. So whatever you do, do not stretch a strained muscle. Give it time to heal, recovery, ice, maybe heat, something like that. But always wait until it has fully recovered before you do any kind of extended or overstretching of that muscle. Sometimes even when it comes to working out, you don't want to do anything like aggressive. Like some people say, oh, well, I had a guy today, my adductors feel like they're, strained. I said, okay. And he wants to do some lateral movements, right? Which is adductor, the inner muscles. No go. Not as aggressive as that anyway. Maybe a squat, which is not as aggressive as that, but definitely nothing lateral, because these are your kind of lateral muscle, inner muscles like this. So stay with me, anything like that, that's too aggressive, especially done fast. That's why I like time with attention. Slow, thoughtful movements that's done intentionally to fatigue the muscle to max one time. That's it. So back to my point again, do not stretch a strained muscle. 40-year-olds and beyond, give it time to recover. Did your course to Get Fit Methods. Talk to you soon.